everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, I got another gunpla to build. This one is the Zeta Gundam from the SD Cross Silhouette lineup. Zeta Gundam is my second favorite Gundam of all time, only behind Wing Zero Custom. This kit is actually more expensive than the SDX standard lineup, so hopefully it has a better build. We'll see. Let's go build this. I absolutely enjoyed building this. I really love how it looks and the extra detail. Chef's kiss. I actually like the fact that you can swing open the cockpit part, although it doesn't have an actual cockpit. There's only few stickers here, unlike in the Wing Zero SDX standard where they cheat a lot of the colored parts using stickers. I used a permanent marker to paint the sword, and I think it really gave an effect that it was the beam saber and not a white stick. Since it's an SD build, you can't really transform it into its jet mode, but that's okay. I prefer it in its Gundam mode anyway. There's an optional part in this lineup where you can make the Gundam slightly taller, but I ain't buying that. I'm really satisfied with this. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I like doing baking, DIY stuffs, and building Gundams, and if you like to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that G-dang bell. You can like or dislike the video depending on what you felt about it. Any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!